Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem when the iOS 26 update is not showing on your iPhone. So let's jump right into it. Solution number 1. Remove beta profile if any. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select VPN and device management. If you see a beta profile, delete it. Restart your iPhone and check for updates again. Solution number 2. Free up storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Go to iPhone storage. Clear some space. Updates usually need 6 to 10 GB free. Solution number 3. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. Avoid using mobile hotspot or VPNs. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Go to setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap software update. If a new update is available, tap download and install. And that's it. This simple step should fix the issue and help your iPhone detect the iOS 26 update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.